What's up guys? Once again, it's James Afante, also known as Kuy James, and now James Repino. And today guys we're checking out a tablet na honestly, hindi ko ina-expect guys na nandito siya sa current price range na to. This is the Infinix XPAD Edge 4G. And yes, of course guys, alam nyo na, may giveaway din po tayo ng mismong tablet na to in this video. So make sure, tapusin nyo yung video na to. Let's go! So tara guys, unbox muna natin siya. So the box is actually very similar dun sa previous version niya. It says here XPAD AI, so definitely may AI na siyang kasama. And the new here is of course the name, Edge. So malalaman natin kung bakit siya Edge mamaya-maya. And it's a 4G, ibig sabihin nasasaksakan siya ng SIM. And according here, ito yung pinaka-fun part here. It has a free keyboard included. And it's a 16GB of dynamic RAM version and a 256GB of storage. So dito naman sa gilid, you can see it's a 13.2 2.4K ultra clear, 588 grams ultra light, PC level, may free gift. So tara, unbox na natin siya guys, and sobrang excited na ako guys dito sa tablet na to guys. And for some reason napapansin ko lang na yung market ng tablet right now, just like how phones evolve is starting to get really competitive and getting more affordable, which is actually very beneficial para sa ating mga consumers. So in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow, akala mo MacBook yung box. Parang MacBook siya guys No joke, like tinan mo, like literally, wow. I like what you did there, Infinix pero nakita ko yung ginagawa niyo. So we're gonna pull this. It's kinda heavy. I believe this will be the... Ano naman neto? Ito yung exciting part, every time nag-unbox pa rin ako guys Oh, this is the keyboard. Oh, the keyboard feels, feels expensive actually It feels like an iPad level quality like no joke guys Wow, bro! Look at that! Para siyang MacBook! No joke! Grabe! Ang ganda! Mukha talaga siyang MacBook. Wow! Okay, nagigets ko. Okay, alam ko na kung saan nanggagaling si Infinix dito. This is the tablet itself. Lagay mo natin siya dito. And we have here the... what is this? The SIM ejector pin. Of course, again, meron siyang kasamang SIM card. We got a brick, which is, I believe, an 18-watt charger and a USB-A to USB-C. Without further ado, let's go straight ahead sa ating device. Let's open up. 3, 2, 1. This is gonna be your first look at the Infinix XPAD Edge. Bang! Wow! Will you look at that, guys? Napakaganda. I mean, unang hawak ko pa lang mapapansin mo na napaka-premium talaga niya. It has a metal body, very thin. And guys, around 588 grams for a tablet na ganito kalaki. Napakagaan. Hindi actually siya mukhang budget tablet, guys It looks like a tablet na will definitely give you a really productive day. Kudos to Infinix for that one. So in this part, pag-usapan natin guys yung display nito guys kasi honestly nakaka-impress talaga siya. At 13.2 inches at this price segment, like this is definitely crazy. Like 13.2 inches is kasing level na talaga guys nung MacBook Air M2 with also 2.4K ultra clear display and a 3:2 aspect ratio, which I can believe I can say perfect for documents, spreadsheets, online classes, and multitasking. Mas vertical space siya, ibig sabihin mas pang work compared sa mga usual tablets na nabibili natin right now. Also, mayroon siyang TUV, Rainland, low blue light, and flicker-free certification. This is very good, especially dun sa mga tao na katulad ko na malabo yung mata at mataas yung astigmatism. Pag meron siyang low blue light, mas longer ko siya magagamit para hindi madaling mapagod yung mata natin. So, I really believe guys na napakaganda ng tablet na to. So, performance naman tayo guys. Number 1, it has a Android 15 already, which is very nice to have this year 2026. And a 8 plus a total of 16GB of dynamic RAM, which is very useful guys para smooth ang flow mo whenever nagtatrabaho ka. And eto guys it has again a 256GB of internal storage or ROM, what we can call. Well, technically guys, with that storage, hindi ka na po mabibitin guys, even without putting a micro SD card. The processor naman guys is a SM-6225-AD to be specific, which actually a Qualcomm Snapdragon processor, which is surprisingly to have in a tablet na affordable. But guys let's be real hindi ito like yung pang hardcore gaming, do not expect that. Pero for productivity, browsing, magzo-zoom ka, mag-Google Meet ka, ka, Canva, emails, like trabaho specifically, or even school, students ka. With all of that information, guys, I can say na magiging smooth to for everyday use. Exactly kung para saan ginawa talaga ang Infinix XPAD Edge 4G. Now, let's talk about connectivity, guys. One of the biggest advantage ng tablet na to, guys, it supports 4G LTE with a nano SIM slot. Meaning, hindi ka dependent sa Wi-Fi, which is most of the tablets out there, ganun. Pwede ka magtrabaho anywhere you go as long as may load ka. And again, pag nilagyan mo siya ng SIM card, which is again, perfect for students pag nasa school, freelancers, guys, especially pag nagtatrabaho ka sa labas, and other fields of work. Now, let's talk about battery naman, guys. Of course, a tablet would not be a tablet if hindi malaki ang kanyang battery, guys. Well, the Infinix XPAD Edge 4G, guys, is meron lang namang 8,000 milliampere na battery. That's like a power bank, grabe, na ready on the go with the tablet itself. And of course, kailangan meron siyang 18 watts fast charging. So with that power, guys, I can say this tablet can really last whole day of work or even nasa classroom ka. Now, the camera naman, guys. No, of course, guys, hindi naman super importante talaga sa mga tablet ang camera, but still, you know, like Infinix gave us 8 megapixel in front and 8 megapixel in rear, which is actually very, very decent na siya. So, I would say, hindi siya pang vlog, didiretsuhin ko na sa'yo. Pero kung online meetings or classes or scanning documents, it will definitely do the work. Now, eto na, guys, yung pinaka parang, I can say, bonus sa tablet na to. Meron siyang free again na keyboard right out of the box. This alone itself adds a lot of value. So like, either typing of documents, walang problema. Parang budget na laptop na touchscreen setup, walang problema. And guys, you don't even need to spend extra money on extra accessories like a mouse because, guys, meron siyang trackpad na kasama. So, like, literally, it's like a laptop or PC level productivity device, like, out of the box for only, again, 16,000 to 17,000 pesos. Like what I said, guys, yes, tamang narinig nyo. All of that is only around 16 to 17,000 pesos, guys. And for that price, you will get, again, a 13.2 inches with 2.4K display, a metal body na honestly napaganda, and napaka-slim at napakagaan, 4G SIM support, a free keyboard, and a solid battery. I can say, guys, this tablet is already sulit for productivity users. And of course, guys, we're giving away, guys, again, one Infinix XPAD Edge 4G in this video. And before we announce the mechanics, guys, gusto ko lang din muna i-announce yung winner, guys, ng Nubia V80 design sa last video natin, guys. So, eto ka. Kung nakikita mo yung comment dyan sa baba and ikaw yan, guys, do not forget to message our page on Facebook, Kuya James Afante with blue check mark, to claim your prize, guys. So, kung gusto mo manalo, guys, ng Infinix XPAD Edge 4G, guys, simple lang. Just like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and i-comment mo dyan sa baba kung ikaw sakali ang mananalo ng Infinix XPAD Edge 4G. Saan mo ito yung gagamitin or paano ito makakatulong sa inyo. And winner will be announced on our next video. So ayun, guys, once again, this is James Afante, also known as Kuya James. Do not forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga videos natin. And now, James 3.0. And by the way, guys, in case na gusto nyo bumili nito, I have attached a link in the description sa baba, guys, on the best discounted prices guaranteed on the whole Philippines, any platforms out there right now, guys. So kung gusto mo to, pwede mo nang bilhin, nasa baba na. See you on the next one.